engagement is at the heart of building strong, inclusive, and sustainable communities. It goes beyond voting or attending events. It means actively participating in shaping society through dialogue, volunteerism, activism, and local initiatives. For young people, civic engagement provides a platform to voice their opinions, influence decision-making, and foster social change. Within the Sustainable-Steps project, civic engagement is a vital tool to connect environmental, social, and economic sustainability with community responsibility. By encouraging youth to take part in civic life, we not only strengthen democratic values, but also empower them to become changemakers in their regions and beyond. Civic engagement begins with understanding the rights and responsibilities of citizens. Young people must recognize that democracy thrives when communities participate in shaping it. This includes involvement in local councils, school or youth associations, and digital platforms for civic dialogue. Participation ensures that policies reflect real community needs, especially in areas like sustainability and inclusion. Civic literacy, knowing how institutions work, how decisions are made, and how citizens can influence them, is essential. Equally important is developing communication and teamwork skills that enable constructive debate and collective action. By learning to express opinions respectfully, listen to others, and work collaboratively, young people strengthen both civic culture and social cohesion. Civic engagement is not a one-time act but an ongoing process of learning, reflecting, and acting. Practical civic engagement comes alive through action. Volunteering in local sustainability projects, joining environmental campaigns, or contributing to intercultural dialogue programs are ways young people can turn knowledge into practice. Digital tools also play a crucial role. Social media campaigns, online petitions, and e-democracy platforms enable youth to amplify their voices beyond local boundaries. Importantly, civic engagement connects personal responsibility to collective impact. Small actions, like organizing a neighborhood cleanup or advocating for greener school practices, can inspire broader community initiatives. Civic engagement also nurtures leadership and problem-solving skills, helping young people grow into active citizens who influence policy, innovation, and cultural understanding. When youth take ownership of community challenges, they cultivate resilience, solidarity, and a shared vision for sustainable futures. Reflecting on civic engagement means asking, how am I contributing to my community, and how can I do more? Young people should identify areas where their skills and passions meet local needs. For example, those passionate about biodiversity could advocate for urban green spaces, while others skilled in digital media might promote awareness campaigns. Transferability is key. Civic skills, such as teamwork, leadership, and advocacy, can be applied across contexts, from environmental action to intercultural dialogue. By embracing civic engagement, youth not only address immediate issues but also learn how to adapt these skills to global challenges, ensuring they remain active citizens in any environment. Civic engagement empowers young people to transform awareness into action, linking sustainability with democratic participation. By fostering civic responsibility, the Sustainable-Steps project equips youth with the skills to shape resilient, inclusive communities. Together, we can ensure that active citizenship drives both sustainability and social cohesion for future generations.